Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Imo app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here, and here can you looking for Imo app, or just click here on search. So then here add Imo, then you click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, you click here on storage, come to storage list, you click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, so you click here on Play Store and search for Imo app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, you just click on it, so that it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.